Climate change, increasing water scarcity, the energy crisis, and population growth pose major challenges to water treatment systems. Estimates suggest that water purification would have to quadruple to ensure universal coverage by 2030. This situation calls for action on two fronts. Firstly, the number of drinking water treatment plants must be increased to guarantee access to sufficient, high-quality water for the entire population. Secondly, plant operation and maintenance must be optimized to ensure they are water and energy efficient, reducing costs and minimizing their environmental impact and carbon footprint. GoAigwa's WTP Twin solution optimizes drinking water treatment facilities, integrating all process variables and data regardless of their source and breaking down information silos. The tool's calculation engine analyzes this data to monitor and predict water quality in the catchment phase and at other stages in the process in water treatment plants. The solution also calculates the optimal reagent dosage and diagnoses sensor data quality. GoAigwa WTP Twin provides dashboards with indicators, helps to generate reports, and offers a decision support system for process optimization. In addition, it includes a fully parameterizable alarm system. GoAigwa WTP Twin takes water treatment plant operations to the next level, increasing resilience, reliability, and transparency while reducing their operational costs and environmental impact.